going to an animal sanctuary. We took today off, it's a Friday, and we're going to an animal sanctuary. We're taking our bikes, Justin's taking his Sportster. I'm taking my XS 650. We're just gonna have ourselves a nice ride to see some animals. There's donkeys there, I think there's pigs, there's horses, there's tons of birds like chickens and turkeys, and I can't wait for you to see. There's peacocks, let's go. What animal are you the most excited to see?
Donkeys.
Donkeys. Love ya. We gotta go back. We're at Winslow Farm Sanctuary.
It's hot and smells great.
It smells. I see a white horse already.
Oh, let's go.
So we take this.
Oh, is that the white horse?
Outfit looks really good.
Every day?
So we take this trail to where we check in, and then I believe we're just free to roam.
You get your key?
Yeah.
I don't know. Why'd you laugh at that? You could easily leave your key in the bike.
Because I appreciate
Do I have my key?
I appreciate you asking. I'm trying out my new camel pack today.
Full of vodka.
I felt a camel pack was fitting.
I think you're stepping in shit.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, lots of it. Are we supposed to be walking on this?
Yeah.
Okay. Is the joke that it's the trail in and it's just all shit?
Oh. This tastes like plastic.
Definitely. Did you rinse it out?
I rinsed like the reservoir, but not the straw.
Oh, gross. I wouldn't drink that. Straight up chemicals from the fucking book.
Hello.
I actually caught a mouse that day and babysitting one night under something. And
Hi there.
Hello. Are you here to visit?
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
We're here. We're just chatting about the newest animals and stuff.
Oh, nice.
They all will scratch or bite.
Okay.
Well, because they're all from a bad background. They're not, you know, they're feral originally or whatever. This is Velcro. He's very
Hi,
interested in
Velcro.
everything. They're old guys. There's Merlin right behind you.
Hi.
Yeah, that's Juniper over by the door there. Merlin's another old guy. So anyway, we tell people don't try to pet them because they'll all eventually bite or scratch.
Okay,
But
good to know.
yeah, there's a gate over there that says enter here.
Okay.
You just want to be sure you close it carefully behind you. The goat enclosures down there. There are horses, donkeys walking around there. Some other horses and miniature horses in with the goats. Often they move around a lot. Birds are in those buildings. There are doves, peacocks, geese, all kinds of exotic things.
Amazing.
There are guinea fowl walking all over the place. Also, when you're walking around, there are a lot of birds I don't know where the bunnies are today. They keep getting moved because new animals come and some
Yeah.
pass away or whatever. But there's somewhere there are 5 lion's head bunnies around.
Oh,
They haven't
wow.
been here for too long. Right back here, instead of curving around, there's another horse corral there with 3 horses and a mule and a billy goat who can't be with the goats yet because he's a little frisky still. And then the alpacas are right to the right of them. And that kind of covers it, I think. Oh, there's a tortoise, a large tortoise walking around about this
Oh,
big.
wow.
An African tortoise who he blends in
Yeah, I
because
bet.
he's African. He's kind of this color.
Yeah.
So when you, I mean, I used to think he was a statue until you see him move, you know. So he's around too. That's George.
George.
So
I'm excited to see George.
Yeah, me too.
yeah. So welcome and see what you can see and.
Thank
I think
you.
Thank you.
Safety regulations on that poster.
Okay.
So take a look at that.
Okay.
Okay, great.
And welcome.
First time we came here was it like 3 years ago? 4 years
Yeah,
ago?
I know. I haven't been here in years. It's changed so much.
I know.
Hi. Hi.
These things bite.
I don't think he'll bite.
Dude, I want to ride it. What do you think that is for a CC? Like 600, 650?
Oh, this is the end. We should turn around.
Yeah.
Let's follow this guy. He knows where he's going.
Dude, does he just cruise around all day?
Yeah. He's probably security. Hey. Justin, he's good.
I don't want to disrupt him. I'm going this way. Oh yeah, there it is.
Hi, beautiful. Hi.
What? What?
I wish I had another camera angle. Enter here.
Dude, it's over for me. I'm fucking done.
Between the pollen and the animal dander. Justin's hurting. Hi. Oh. Oh, Justin. He was rubbing up on me.
I saw it. What's this one doing?
Oh, you're a cutie over here. Are you friendly?
Is it blind?
No, you see me. Hi. Oh. Okay. Baby. Oh,
Hating it.
you're shy.
Hates us. We can't use that footage.
No.
Oh, bye.
It's so sweet.
It hates you. We should get away from it. What about these little mini horse machines?
Oh, Sebastian.
Hi. What's that?
From Parks and Rec. Hi. Hi. Are you the frisky one that has to be separated from the ladies? Yeah? That's you? That's you? I believe it. You have a beautiful new home here.
I didn't think horses ever laid down unless they were dead.
Just it's breathing.
They can sleep?
You can sleep.
I thought they slept standing up. I thought that was the feature. No?
I don't really know that much about horses.
Oh, I thought that
but I know
Aggie
that
taught
that's
you
not
all
a dead
that.
one.
I didn't expect to see it laying down.
I don't have anything for you. I don't think I can feed you. Beautiful. You're beautiful though. Ooh. Hello, we meet again. That one makes me sad.
Yeah, let's go. Bye. Bye.
It hurts my heart to think about why they're here. Like, this is a sanctuary for them because they weren't in a safe place before. I'm sorry. Bye, friends. Bye, Velcro.
So did you see everything you wanted to see?
Yes,
Yeah,
we
that's great.
did.
Good. We'll come back again. There are always new things to see.
Yeah, we were here a few years ago and it's changed so much.
These guys are having a good time.
Yeah, they are.
The bantams. That's Big Red, and that's Joe, and then the little one is Amelia, the female.
And my boots, like, all just crammed in. So much shit.
Justin's helping me move my bike because we didn't want to disturb those people having a picnic.
So weird. The weather just crazy.
surprise off-road.
Yeah, there's this place, it's this big horse field where all these horse people go, and they just like run around on all fours and shit and jump over. What are those things called?
Jumps.
Yeah, jumps. So all these horse people out there neighing and going fucking crazy. Today was like the one day the horse people didn't show up, so we drove our bikes around it, and I just thought it would have been a cool view for where the GoPro was on my bike to go through the long grass a little bit.
Oh yeah, I was like,
But then I was also like, what the fuck is the long grass covering?
Yeah, but then halfway through I was like, oh, this isn't that weird, because cars, you see cars driving out there.
Well, cars go in there to do donuts and shit, and we have slick tires and it was all sand. But whatever, we did it.
Yeah. What was your favorite part of the animal sanctuary?
I think seeing the minivan. Just like horking out. Yeah,
That's
like,
what Justin calls the tortoise. I think my favorite was the bantam chickens, the little chickens at the end there.
yeah, they're fine.
I want them.
All right, so it's over now.
Yeah. Thanks for coming to the Winslow Animal Sanctuary with us.
Bye.
Bye.